For our group assignment, us three have decided to talk about human cloning and recreating life through sciences.
The main reason that we chose human cloning is because it's a very controversial topic that can be argued from both sides. We had previously been interested from when we learned about it in one of our lectures. It is one of our interests because cloning can be used to replace tissues and organs for people who need transplants. This means that if you knew someone that had a heart attack, you could take some of their DNA and grow them a new heart, which could be transplanted with no risk of rejection because it is identical to the old heart tissue in every possible way. This is important because the cells are not identical to the patient's cells, and the body will reject it, attack it, and make it worse for the patient. Some examples of medical uses of cloning are burn victims, kidney failures, leukemia, and genetic disorders.
After a copious amount of research, we have found that human life is defined from the moment that the cell has potential to become a human being, rather than cloning, which replicates the cell instead of it being created. While cloning does help, it is not safe for humans due to having a possible chance of altering the biological process of creating the characteristics of a human. As far as the ethical side, it is seen as unethical because whatever is being cloned, for example, a baby, it is not created from conception but from a scientific experiment. So it is not seen as a miracle or a blessing like usually, but more of a scientific experiment. Coming from a Catholic person myself, cloning is unethical due to Roman Catholics believing that human life is created through two people rather than asexual reproduction or scientific research. We Catholics do not condemn to any attempt of cloning humans because it also abuses the biotechnology because biotechnology is not up to date from cloning them.
So the current state of knowledge for human cloning is that it is legal in the United States, but only for therapeutic cloning. Human cloning is illegal in some European countries such as France, Germany, and Switzerland, but it is legal in England, Singapore, Sweden, China, and Israel, only for research purposes, but prohibits scientists from doing it for reproduction purposes. Although the only reproductive cloning that has occurred is with animals such as sheep, goats, pigs, cows, mice, rabbits, horses, and cats, it is still not easy to do. For the foreseen future, human cloning will continue to evolve due to science being able to do test tube babies. So within the next 50 years, human cloning is possible, even though it might be seen as unethical. It is probable that the future of human cloning will lie more in therapeutic cloning, rather than reproductive cloning. Although the science is exciting, it will likely take more decades of research before scientists are able to create transplantable tissue. Thank you.
Thank you.